Welcome to Eureka Xecs Call 2024, a call dedicated to international collaboration projects in electronic components and systems for sustainable digital transformation. But first, few words about Sweden and VINNOVA. VINNOVA is Sweden's innovation agency, and our mission is to enable innovation that makes a difference to the planet and a difference to Sweden's economy and prosperity. Innovation is the only way for us to maintain not only our competitiveness, but also create well-paying jobs and safeguarding the Swedish welfare state in the long term. And in order to achieve the goals, we need to promote innovation in the broadest sense of the word. We need innovation at all stages to transform the entire systems and make the transition to a sustainable future. In brief, we need to create the conditions for what we call system innovation. Sweden participates in Eureka network and more specifically here in the Eureka Xecs cluster. And VINNOVA is responsible for the Xecs Call in Sweden. In this session, you will learn about what the offer is about, who can apply, what you can apply for, how much you can apply for, and what we assess. Do you work with innovative solutions in electronic components and systems within mobility, energy, digital industry, health, production, or digitalization of the society? If so, then with this offer, we want to support international collaborative projects with actors along the entire value chain for electronic components and systems for sustainable digital transformation. And here you find a link to the details of what the offer is about. Who can apply? SMEs, large enterprises, universities and research institutes in Europe and beyond who share the same goals and share national funding available to organizations who apply through the Eureka Cluster program. And at least 2 project participants from 2 countries are needed for an international consortium to apply. What can you apply for? International projects focusing on electronic components and systems such as sensors, power electronics, electronic platforms, systems integration, embedded systems, and production integration in electronics. The purpose is to develop solutions that can drive sustainable digital transformation and strengthen competitiveness in the areas covered by Xecs cluster. And project durations are up to 36 months. How much can you apply for? Up to 15 million crowns per project. And funding from VINNOVA is up to 50% of the total budget of eligible costs for all the participants in the project. For SMEs, up to 50%, large enterprises up to 30%, universities and research institutes up to 100%. Now we come to a very important question related to assessment. So what do we assess? First of all, we assess the potential of the project itself. It does represent 40%. And how the project is planned to be executed, looking at the feasibility, representing 30% of the assessment. And also the types of partners that are involved in the project to cover the complete value chain. From partners, looking more at the requirements, to partners developing the use cases, working with the use cases for potential implementation when the project is finished. And then an important part related to sustainability, which is not only technical, which is related to equality and the capability that the environment of work in the project will be able to include different genders, different resources, human resources, in a very sustainable way, looking at the future and the ability to include individuals in the project and beyond, to prepare the future. And with that, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for listening, for watching this video. And I would like to invite you to contact me whenever you have a question. You can contact me via email or also on the phone. And as you will see through the offer, we will organize a Q&A session here in Sweden. You will then be able to ask questions and also listen to other participants to the call and their questions. It's always a very valuable time to share with other participants about expectations, questions, or whatever is needed during the application process. Once again, thank you, and looking forward to hearing from you. Goodbye.